that damage that we were just talking about through those storms and those tornadoes.
Well, we actually had the chance to speak with Greg Hines, who is the mayor of Rogers. He says he can't believe it's been a month and he's grateful for all the assistance provided by the community and government officials, Jackie.
That's right. Hines says that FEMA has done great work on the ground and has promised to be with the city of Rogers until the city is back on its feet. And he tells us that he felt a series of emotions that the community must lean on each other to make it through this devastating event. The city is moving out of emergency phases, according to Hines, and he wants the community to try to rest and take in the upcoming July 4th holiday and spend time with your family. And he says that the recovery process still active and emotions are not going away.
You find respite because this is not over. And these emotions are not going to go away. And the worst thing you can do is to continue to just deny them. So I would just encourage everyone in Northwest Arkansas that was affected by this to lean into their loved ones, get some rest over the next week or so, and we'll get back at it after that.
If you are still in need, we have links to several resources in Benton County because we know it's not just Rogers, but Decatur and Bentonville and even communities outside of those. All those resources are available on our website, knwa.com. We'll also be continuing our coverage of the anniversary of these storms during our evening newscast tonight, starting at 5 p.m.